We're back with domestic stories. Police in Ho Chí Minh City have dismantled a drug ring involving South Korean nationals accused of organizing the illegal use of narcotics.
Yes, and notably, the ringleader was under an Interpol Red Notice. Authorities say the suspect took advantage of short-term entry and temporary residence in the city to carry out illegal activities.
While being internationally wanted, Park Han-seo rented a house and operated a bar in Ho Chí Minh City. He colluded with several accomplices to purchase laughing gas and various drugs for illegal use and distribution. According to Ho Chí Minh City Police, uncovering and dismantling a criminal network led by a suspect under an Interpol Red Notice require heightened vigilance, along with the screening of crime reports provided by the public.
Most of the suspects had committed offenses in South Korea and tried to flee to Vietnam. They continued engaging in illegal activities such as gambling and organizing drug use in high-rise and luxury apartment buildings in Ho Chí Minh City.
The suspect was a key link that helped police arrest 12 individuals, including 8 South Korean nationals, who were using and illegally trading drugs across the city.
I delivered drugs many times to foreign nationals from South Korea. They usually gathered to use drugs in restaurants, hotels, and apartment buildings.
The suspects often disguised themselves as businessmen, investors, tourists, or legal workers to conceal their crimes. They selected discreet locations, such as high-end accommodation facilities, rented multiple rooms or areas, and organized illegal drug use disguised as entertainment activities or parties to evade law enforcement.
Authorities say the suspect's tactic highlights the increasingly sophisticated nature of drug crimes. Ho Chí Minh City Police have urged accommodations providers, apartment management boards, and residents to remain vigilant, carefully check identification documents and temporary residence registrations, and promptly report any suspicious signs to authorities.